me ask you, is the story of like you being in a blended family affect you in any way? Like the way you have two dads and you're gonna have two moms soon. Does it affect you in any way?
Two moms.
Like be honest, mom.
No.
Because there are so many kids out there who are in a blended family. You know, like this sister is from this, the father is Chinese, and then this one, the father is like Italian. You know, does it affect you in any way?
No, it doesn't. But like when it comes to like, no, it doesn't actually. Like anyway, it doesn't. But then when it comes to events like, let's say, Father's Day, I don't know what to do. When it comes to father and daughter dance or Mom's Day, I'm fine because it's only you. And then when people like are dissing me, they have to include it. Or when they want to make me feel bad, they have to include it. But it's not something that everybody knows about. But even if they knew, I really don't care.
But does it affect you on a personal level? Do you think that I did a mistake or what do you think?
Mom, this thing doesn't have internet. No, I'm perfectly fine with it. Like, it doesn't affect me anyway. Affect me in any way.
But when your friend diss you with it, do you feel bad? Because they find, like maybe they think it's something awkward.
No, they don't, like, diss me with it. Like, for someone to know that I have two dads, they have to dig deep.
Okay.
So, like, actually, I don't think any of my friends know that I have two dads.
Okay.
Like, they have to dig deep, like, into the internet to know that Sky has two dads.
Is there any advantage of the two dads? Like, you feel like, hey, man, this is working, it's working.
Hey, well, me guys, me like the advantage of having two dads is that like if like this one does this, one pays for this, and this one pays for this. Like if I want something, I have both options. So like I even can get two of them if I want to, and like yeah, so
Really?
yeah.
But do you feel like it's hard to balance between them because you know your biological dad and then there
It's
is
not
now
hard, but the effort is there. Like when it comes to things like what is that name called? PTC, parent teacher conference. Like I don't know who to bring. Maybe you are like, oh, decide who you want to bring because like maybe you are busy. So now when it comes to PTC, I don't know who to bring. Like this one, should I bring this one? Should I bring this one? Like I'm not so sure. So, but it's not even hard to balance. I'm fine.
okay. All right, it's life. It's called life.
Alright, let me start.
Okay, ma'am. It's called life, and nobody should. You started, right? It's called life, mommy, and nobody should like make you feel bad because of your life. The key thing is, are you happy in everything? Yeah. Whether you're in blended family, complicated family, up and down family, the big question should be: are you happy? Or are you trying to bring out that perfect image in the society at the expense of your happiness? And if you're asked, are we happy? All of us, do you think we are happy?
All of us. I can't speak on behalf of everybody, but me, I can say me, I'm happy. I don't know about you guys. I can't speak on behalf of you people.
Is that how happy people look like? Is that how people look like?
What, me?
Are you happy? Like for real, are you happy?
Yeah, I'm fine.
For real? Yeah. Are you going in a depression? Do you need a therapy?
Ayo. Ati ayo.
Yeah, we are
You're
talking.
so old.
We are talking. We are talking, Mama. We are talking.
No. So, guys, I know you don't know this, but my dad, I have two dads, of course. For the new viewers don't know I have two dads, but let me explain. I have two dads. One is my biological father. The other one is currently married to my mom. And my biological father, we usually meet, yes, occasional we usually meet. He usually picks us at the gate. He doesn't usually come in our house, of course. It's my auntie who usually drops us at the gate. But then, I'm like, I just had an idea. I'm just like, I really want two of my dads to meet. Because, you know, why not? I just want to see how it would go. So instead of my auntie dropping us at the gate, it's going to be my dad, who's currently married to my mom, who's going to be the one dropping us at the gate. And I'm going to catch both of their reactions, what they're going to say, how is it going to be, you know, and I'm going with my brother, how my baba will react, how will my dad will react, you know, what will be both of their reactions. And I'm like, ew, this is going to be a different experience. So my dad, I don't know, the current time is, I think it's like 2, 3 somewhere there. He's going to pick us between 3 to 4. And yeah, I think that's it. The phone. Looks nice. How do you feel?
Awesome.
At awesome.
Why is that?
Are you going to fight him?
Fight who?
Dad, Baba.
Why should I fight him?
Yeah, be a calm
Has he
man.
wronged me?
No. Danny, hi. Do you know what's going on? Yeah. Now we are almost at the gate. I don't even know now.
But then how come iPhone has a good clarity more than Samsung, by the way?
I don't even know for me. Like, hello. Where? Now it's time, guys. It's time. What is going to happen? Where? Already inside. He's probably that side. Yeah, he's probably that side. Dad, do you know you look so big, tall, intimidating? So just smile, you know? Over there. I can see baby relaxing. Where is he? He's there. Oh, hi, Baba. OMG, sorry. Hi. Oh, my goodness. Hi. OMG. Yeah, this is Dad. He just dropped us because...
Wow.
Yeah.
Sasa.
Yeah.
Poa.
Oh,
Umeniletea hawa.
yeah, because...
Safi.
Yeah.
Yes, that's good.
Yeah, because auntie is not around to drop us off.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Hiyo ni poa na fry. Nimewaona for the first time tumemeet.
Yeah.
We hatujawahi meet. Mimi nakuonanga tu. For the first time nimekuona uso kwa uso.
Yeah.
Nakaa vile tu nakuanga social media ama ni
Yeah.
Uko the same.
Yeah.
Na mimi nakaaje?
the same.
The same.
Hujabadilika.
Yeah.
Hata wewe uko the
Maisha
same.
iko aje?
Maisha iko poa, tunaendelea, we thank God for everything. Tunaendelea, tunamshukuru Mungu.
Yeah.
Sky umetoka Amerika pia.
Yes.
Kai, mimi nimefurahi. I have never seen you in my eyes. Lakini nakusikianga. Nasikia. Ndani kuna msichana ambaye tulimit na yeye akaniambia najua
Gani huyo?
sijui anaitwa nani. Oh, ni celeb fulani.
Yeah.
Ni celeb fulani. Akaniambia anakujua mambo kama hiyo. And I was happy.
Okay.
So yeah, Dad decided to just drop us so that we can meet you. Yeah.
Natoka wakaniambia you just drop us to Papa.
Yeah.
No problem. Yeah, Danny.
Yeah, I just wanted you guys to meet, to just see each other, because you know both of you guys are my dad.
Wow.
Yeah.
So you thought like we're gonna fight?
By the way, you guys have not fighted, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys are okay. Yeah, by the way, I thought Baba would fight Dad.
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought
You
that
thought
you would.
that?
Yeah, I thought that you would fight Nini Dad.
Why you cannot fight? Why
Yeah.
fight? Why?
Yeah.
Why
But that's
you got
good
that?
though.
We are not
Yeah.
enemies.
I just wanted to let you know that I love you both,
Wow.
no matter what.
Yeah.
the reason I love you is because you're full of surprises. But I didn't even know you'd be in TikTok live.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're full of surprises. I love you, and also I love you, Dad.
Wow.
You bought me my dream phone, and you bought me my dream camera. I'm so thankful.
Yeah.
And yeah, I just wanted to let you both know that I love you so much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
And I just wanted you guys to meet.
Unaenda shopping.
Unataka tuende wapi?
I just wanted us to go
They are
to.
the people, they have called me. I don't
Yeah.
know. Wamenipigia simu ananiambia uko unakuja kesho. Nikamwambia okay, I'll come.
Yeah, we just wanted to meet you before we go to school. Yeah.
Utanisalimia?
Kuja usalimiane.
Yeah.
Ama unaogopa?
This is baby.
Ati baby.
Yeah.
Na kweli ni baby.
Hiyo ni jina yake.
Hiyo ni jina yako kweli ama jina yako kamili ni gani?
Real, Baby Benson.
Baby Benson.
Yeah.
Baby Benson,
Yeah.
that's your real name?
Yeah.
Wow. Yenye iko kwa kitambulisho? Okay. Baby, oh,
Yeah.
okay. Benson
That's
ni babako
nice.
ama baba?
You wanted us to meet.
Yeah, I just wanted you guys to meet.
When do we make it happen?
Yeah.
Ulikuwa tufikiri tutapigana. You thought we are going to fight.
Yeah, I just wanted to see you guys' reaction. I thought that you guys would fight or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, like, but then you guys, at least
Fight
you guys
for
have not
what?
fight.
Fight for
No,
what?
like, but I didn't think
Yeah,
you'd
yeah,
fight.
yeah,
I was
yeah,
just seeing the
that's fine.
possibilities. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Baba
Hatujapigana
Sky, it
though.
was nice meeting you.
We have not fight.
Yeah.
Nyinyi itawaachilia muishie.
Yeah.
Na mimi kuna shughuli fulani tao.
Another town.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
that's good.
Yep.
Yeah. So,
Okay, Mama.
yeah.
You guys go have fun.
Yeah.
I'll miss you. Okay, I'll see you later. Okay?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Can you come?
Bye.
Come and say
Yeah.
bye.
And behave. And don't be on the phone, okay? You need to give Baba attention, okay?
Yeah.
That's
All right, Danny? Yeah, because you know.
Okay.
Na huyu amerefuka.
You and gadgets, something else. Okay.
Sawa, thank you.
Tutaongea.
Yeah.
Tutaongea.
Asante
Yeah.
sana. Wewe
Okay.
utaongea.
Sawa,
Yeah.
Mama.
Ukuwe na
Bye.
wakati mwema.
Bye, Dad.
You guys go
Daddy,
have
come
fun.
and say bye.
Yeah. Aki, don't stay out too late, for real.
Ati?
Don't
What time
stay
are you
out too
coming?
late. Like,
Okay, you call me when you're coming.
8. Huh?
You call me when you're coming.
Okay. I'll call you.
Okay, Baba, behave.
Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much.
then.
All right.
Asante
Poa,
sana.
Okay, then. Thank you so much. Bye, Dad. Yeah.
Wow. Umenipata na surprise.
Ati surprise.
Imagine surprise wewe.
For real.
Kwa nini ni surprise hivyo?
No, I just wanted you, like, just to, like, see him.
Asante sana.
But I was just saying, like, I didn't say you'd fight for real.
Why you thought I'm going to fight?
No. I didn't say think that.
Mimi ndio tapigana.
Ah.
Sky, let me ask you a question. Why do you think me I can fight?
No, I just
Unaona
think, like, the
nikiwa violent.
possibility.
Unaona nikiwa violent.
No. Yeah.
I can't fight. I cannot fight. And I have no